We proceed miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6, question number 15. Show that the altitude of right circular cone of maximum volume. We have to show that the volume is maximum. That can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 4r by 3. Altitude of cone is 4r by 3. So there is a sphere. There is a sphere and a right circular cone is inscribed in a sphere. A right circular cone ABC is inscribed in a sphere. O is the center of the sphere and P is any point on the sphere. Let this point is M. And right circular that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. This is the radius of the sphere r. Small r. Radius is a small r. Radius of a sphere. This will be also radius, a small r. And suppose the radius of the cone, the radius of the right circular cone is capital R. We have supposed the radius of right circular cone is capital R. So let MP equals to x. This distance MP we have supposed equals to x. Then what would be the value of OM? OM can be written as OP minus MP. And the value of OP is also a small r. Radius of the sphere. So OP is a small r and MP we have supposed x. So the value of OM is r minus x. Now we are interested to find the height of the right circular cone. And height of the right circular cone AM can be written as AP minus MP. Height of the right circular cone AM can be written as AP minus MP. And the value of AP, the value of AP is, AP can be written as, this is R and this is also R, so R plus R 2R. AP is the diameter, so R plus R 2R. And MP is x. So the value of AM means height of the right circular cone is 2r minus x. Height of the right circular cone is 2r minus x. Now we will find the radius of the right circular cone. So in triangle OMB, this r square can be written as r small r square minus OM the whole square. In triangle OMB, we are interested to find the radius of the right circular cone. So base square means r square equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So a small r square, the value of OM we have calculated r minus x the whole square. So r square minus, this will be expanded on the form a minus b the whole square. R square minus 2rx plus x square. So r square minus r square plus 2rx and minus x square. R square gets cancelled and we get r square equals to 2rx minus x square. This we have calculated capital R square, and capital R square is the capital R is the radius of the right circular cone. Now we have to find the volume of cone. So the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square, radius square, into height. Height of the cone we have taken AM. Height of the cone is taken AM. So 1 by 3 pi r square, at the place of r square we write 2rx minus x square, and the value of AM is written as 2r minus x. The value of AM is 2r minus x, and the value of r square is 2rx minus x square. So we get pi by 3. Remove the bracket. 2r into 2rx, 4r square x minus 2rx square minus 2rx square and plus x square into x cube. So it gives pi by 3, 4r square x minus 2x square r and again 2x square r minus 4x square r and plus x cube. This is the expression for the volume of the cone. Pi by 3 and 4r square x minus 4x square r plus x cube. Now we differentiate. So we differentiate with respect to x, because MP which we have taken x, this is the variable distance. So dv upon dx, r small r we had given already in the question. So the quantity which has given is a constant. So dv by dx, pi by 3, differentiation of x is 1. So 4r square minus differentiation of x square is 2x. So minus 8rx plus 3x square. And for maximum or minimum, dv by dx equals to 0. This pi by 3 becomes 0 and we get 4r square minus 8rx plus 3x square equals to 0. Make its factor. So its factor will 4r square minus 6rx minus 6rx and plus 3x square equals to 0. From these two terms, 2r is taken common. So 2r minus x, and from these two terms, 3x is taken, 3x is taken common. So again 2r minus x equals to 0. And from these two terms, 2r minus x is common. So we get 2r minus 3x. 2r minus 3x equals to 0. 2r minus 3x is equals to 0. Now 2r minus x equals to 0. This implies x equals to 2r. This is not possible. This x distance never be equals to the diameter. 2r means diameter. So this is not possible. Then 2r minus 3x equals to 0 and 3x equals to 2r, and this implies x equals to 2r by 2. So this value can be taken because this is possible. X equals to 2r by 2. Now first step we have to find the maximum volume. So we differentiate again. So d2 by dx was pi by 3 and 4r square minus 8rx and plus 3x square. We find d2 by dx square, which is pi by 3, differentiation of 4r square is 0, differentiation of 3x square is 6x minus 8r. Now put the value of x equals to 2r by 3. So pi by 3, 6 into 2r by 3 and minus 8r. And we get pi by 3 and 2 into 2, 4r. 4r minus 8r minus 4r. So overall minus 4 pi r by 3, which is less than 0. It means volume is maximum. So first thing obtained, we have to prove the maximum volume. So we get the maximum volume. Now we have to find that height of the altitude of right circular cone is equals to 4r by 3. So altitude we have calculated. Am is the altitude of right circular cone. So Am altitude equals to 2r minus x, and the value of x already we have calculated. The value of x is 2r by 3. So we get Am equals to 6r minus 2r, 4r by 3. So the height or altitude of the cone is equals to 4r by 3. The next question we discussed is question number 17. Show that the height of the cylinder of maximum volume. Show that the height of cylinder height of cylinder of maximum volume. The height of cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere. That can be inscribed in a sphere. That can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. Of radius r is 2r by root 3. 2r by root 3. Also find the maximum volume. Also find the maximum volume. Also find the maximum volume. So we have to prove that height of the cylinder is height of the cylinder of maximum volume. First thing we have to prove that the volume is maximum and height is equals to 2r by root 3 and a cylinder is inscribed in a sphere. In a sphere, a cylinder is inscribed and the sphere is of radius r. The sphere has radius r and the radius of the cylinder is taken to be the small r. The radius of the cylinder is taken to be the small r. Name it A, B, C, D, point L and point M. The total height of the cylinder. Let the height of the cylinder Ln equals to H. Then OM must be equals to H by 2. OM is equals to H by 2, half of the height of the cylinder. Now in the very first, we will find the radius of the cylinder. So in triangle, from triangle OMD, we calculate the radius of the cylinder. So small r square is written as hypotenuse square minus OM square, and r square small equals to capital R square. The value of OM is h by 2, so h square by 2. This is the value of r square. A square of the radius of the cylinder. Now we write the formula for volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square. Radius of cylinder is small r and total height of the cylinder we have taken h. Ln equals to h. Put the value of small r square. So pi into r square minus h square by 4 into h. Pi r square minus h square by 4 into h. Remove the bracket by multiplying h. So r square h minus h cube by 4. This is the expression for volume. Now capital R already we had given, and height we have supposed. We have supposed the height. So we differentiate with respect to the height because R is constant. Why R is constant? Because it has given in the question the radius R. So we will differentiate with respect to h. dV by dh equals to pi r square minus 3h square by 4, and for maxima or minima. For maxima or minima, dV by dh equals to 0, pi becomes 0, so r square minus 3h square by 4 equals to 0, and we find the value of h. So 4r square equals to 3h square and h square equals to 4r square by 3, and the value of h is under root of 4r square 2r by root 3. So we have proved that the height of the cylinder is 2r by root 3. Now we have to prove the volume is maximum. So the expression for dV by dh is pi r square minus 3h square by 4. Again we differentiate. So d2v by dh square equals to pi, differentiation of r square is 0, and this is minus of 6h by 4, which is less than 0, so maximum volume. The volume is maximum. The volume we have proved is maximum. Now also we have to find the maximum volume. So we will put the value of h in the expression of volume. First number equation. So from first, volume equals to pi r square into h. The value of h is 2r by root 3 minus h cube by 4. h cube to the cube 8 r cube upon root 3 the cube. Root 3 the cube means 3 root 3 and into 4 means 12 root 3. So pi r taking LCM is 12 root 3. So we get 12 into 2, 24 r cube minus 8 r cube. 8 r cube, h cube by 4, and overall 24 minus 8, 16. 16 pi r cube upon 12 root 3. 4 4 is 16, 3. So 4 pi r cube upon 3 root. 4 pi r cube upon 3 root 3. This is the maximum volume. So the maximum volume is 4 pi r cube upon 3 root 3. Now we discuss question number 20. Question number 20. The slope of the tangent to the curve. The slope of the tangent to the curve. The slope of the tangent to the curve x equals to t square plus 3t minus 8. X equals to t square plus 3t minus 8. Y equals to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. Y equals to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at the point 2 comma minus 1. At the point 2 comma minus 1. So 2 and minus 1. This is the value of x and this is the value of minus 1. So firstly we will find the point. And we have given x equals to t square plus 3t minus 8 and the value of x is given 2. So put the value of x is 2 equals to t square plus 3t minus 8 and t square plus 3t minus 10 equals to 0. Make its factor t square plus 5t minus 2t and minus 10 equals to 0. From first two terms t is common, t plus 5 minus 2 is common, t plus 5 equals to 0. Then we get t plus 5 and t minus 2 equals to 0. The value we get t equals to minus 5 and t equals to plus 2. Then the next expression is y equals to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 and the value of y is minus 1. So minus 1 equals to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 and 2t square minus 2t minus 5 plus 1 equals to 0. So 2t square minus 2t minus 4 equals to 0 and make its factor. So 2t square minus 4t plus 2t minus 4 equals to 0. 2t is common. So t minus 2 plus 2 is common. T minus 2 equals to 0 and t minus 2, 2t plus 2 equals to 0. Again we get two values, t equals to 2 and from here t equals to minus 1. So we obtain the values of t. Now we have to take the common value from both the expression, from this expression and from this expression. What is the common value in both? So the common value is t equals to 2. The common value comes to be t equals to 2. Now we find dx by dt and dy by dt, then dy by dx. So dx by dt, differentiate 2t plus 3 and from here we find dy by dt. So dy by dt equals to 4t minus 2. We find dx by dt equals to 2t plus 3 and dy by dt equals to 4t minus 2. Then we calculate dy by dx, which is written as dy by dt into dt by dx, and the value of dy by dt is 4t minus 2 upon 2t plus 3 and the value of, this is the expression for slope. Now dy by dx at the given point at t equals to 2. Put the value of t equals to 2, 4 into 2 minus 3 upon 2 into 2 plus 3, 8 minus 3, 4 into 2, 8 minus 3, 5 upon 7. The value comes to be t square plus 3t. t square plus 3t. 4t minus 2. 8 minus 3. So 8. This is 4t minus 2. So 8 minus 2. 6. And the result we get 6 by 7. So the correct option is B is the correct option. B is the correct option. The slope comes to be 6 by 7.